Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can watch Univision from anywhere in the world. Now I am in the site univision.com. And if I choose a clip, for example this one, you can see here I don't have access to watch it. It's not available in your country because currently I live in Vietnam. To watch it I need to change my location. I use IVACY. It's a VPN. You need to use a VPN, and VPN will allow you to change your location. I use IVACY. It's very easy to use, and at the same time it works very well with many websites. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Here is the app, and then just I will select United States and then click to connect. Just wait for a few seconds. It's already connected now. United States. The internet connection is a little slow today. You can see here your location, United States. Now let me go back again to the site. And go to the video. Click here. You can see I have access now to watch it. This is what you need to do if you want to watch Univision from anywhere in the world. I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to check the link in the description below, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.